Hello and welcome to globalpulsenews.tv. I am Samantha Newssby. Today, a Jamaican court has sentenced former police constable Noel Maitland to life in prison for the murder of his girlfriend Donna-Lee Donaldson. Justice Leighton Pusey ruled that Maitland must serve more than 32 years behind bars before he becomes eligible for parole. The judge said the seriousness and brutality of the crime demanded the maximum penalty under the law. In addition to the murder conviction, Maitland was also sentenced to 2 years for preventing the lawful burial of a corpse, with both sentences running at the same time. What makes this case particularly haunting is that Donaldson's body has never been found, leaving investigators and her grieving family without the closure they had hoped for. The tragic case began in July 2022. Donna-Lee Donaldson was last seen when Maitland picked her up from her mother's home in St. Andrew and drove her to his apartment in New Kingston. Investigators later determined she was likely killed inside that apartment sometime the next day. Her family reported her missing after losing contact with her. Soon after, suspicions turned toward Maitland, who initially told police she had left his apartment following an argument. But forensic evidence discovered during the investigation painted a very different picture. Authorities found blood traces inside the apartment, which investigators said matched the victim. During the trial, prosecutors argued that Maitland attempted to destroy evidence after the killing. Court testimony revealed that the apartment had been thoroughly washed, with investigators saying efforts were made to remove blood from furniture and surfaces. Justice Pusey also noted that Maitland's role as a police officer made the crime even more troubling. Officers of the law are entrusted to protect the public, the judge said, and that trust was deeply violated in this case. Outside the courthouse, emotions were mixed. Donna-Lee's mother, Sophia Lugg, expressed gratitude that justice had finally been served. But with her daughter's body still missing, the family says the verdict provides only partial closure. For them, the outcome remains bittersweet justice. Meanwhile, Maitland's defense team has indicated that an appeal may be considered, and the former officer continues to maintain his innocence. The case has sparked renewed conversations across Jamaica about violence against women and intimate partner violence. Legal experts say the ruling sends a strong signal that such crimes will be taken seriously in the courts. Still, the absence of Donna-Lee Donaldson's remains continues to haunt the case, leaving unanswered questions that may never fully be resolved. For Donna-Lee's loved ones, the sentence represents a step toward accountability, but not the full closure they were hoping for. As Jamaica reflects on this tragic case, many are calling for stronger protections against domestic violence and greater support for victims and families. Reporting for Global Pulse News TV, I'm Samantha Newssby. Stay informed, stay connected, and let's spread love, not hate nor violence.